What's going on, YouTube? Well, we're back with a final episode, final video of the 67 GTO pain in my neck. Now, it was actually a joy to build it. It had a lot of challenges. It's the MPC version, which is this one right here. It's the 67 GTO, Pontiac GTO, the MPC version. This kit has a lot of challenges, and if you're going to build this kit, I suggest you buy a 3D printer. I suggest you rob other kits, rob friends, rob anything you can, and throw it at this thing. So I didn't use a lot of the kit parts, which I don't know, maybe to some that's cheating. I enjoyed building it, and the more I did to this kit, the more detail I just found to put into it. So I know it's been a while. I again, in other videos I've explained that I'm a hunter, so I have a hunt that I'm in the middle of doing. I take care of grandkids. I'm doing a lot of scouting for this elk hunt, so I'm trying to squeeze out every video that I can. I have videos coming up for Iceman Collections. I have them coming up for VCG Resins. I have them coming up for a lot of people, so I've got a surprise newcomer to the resin printing realm, you might say, and you guys are going to be super impressed. He sent me something, and that's a video I'm going to do all on its own. So I want to go ahead and get this camera turned around and show you some of my crap, and I'm hoping you guys are impressed with this thing. I love the way it came out, and I guess that's the only thing that matters. Come on, guys, let's turn around, look at this thing. All right, guys, here we are. I'm super happy with the way this GTO built up. I did, like I said, on the one-on-one here, I did rob a lot of stuff out of a 67 Chevelle kit. I took the chassis out of there. I took the roll bar, and then I built off the roll bar. I actually added a fire extinguisher on there. I 3D printed that myself. The paint is that's Scale Finishes paint. It's metallic, deep metallic blue, midnight metallic blue. That's a Scale Finishes paint. The wheels are Joel's from Iceman Collections. Those are his Pro Stars. So I got those. He gifted me those about, I don't know, maybe about 8 months ago or something, and I finally found something that they'd fit like perfect. So I really enjoyed those wheels on there. So the front piece here, the grill, that was a challenge. I had to shave the whole car down to make that grill fit, and then I drilled the headlight buckets out and put regular lenses in there because it was all molded in. So that was kind of tricky. Really, I cut and polished this thing. I spent a long time polishing the paint on here and getting it nice and flat and presentable. So let's go ahead and take this thing and stop it, and then I can show you guys what I actually did to this thing. So let me let it come around a little bit. Right there. So I'm going to go ahead and move the camera in a little bit so we can probably zoom in. Oh, nice. Did we get that? Let me see here. trying to give you guys a good interior pick here. I got a lot of work into this interior, so. Let me see if this will help. Dang it, I hate doing interior shots after it's built. Maybe I could put a pickup and help out a little bit. You can tell I 3D printed my own tack. I 3D printed the Hurst-O-Matic shifter in there. Flocked the carpet. Again, I printed, let me see if this will work better. I printed the fire extinguisher back there. I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna go ahead and move it around a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. Let me see here. See if I can do better this way. There's all the inside here. I printed the seats actually on here. I made the seat belts. See if it looks better from the front here. It's so hard to see interior on this camera here. Let me see, maybe there. Man, there's so much interior work in here. I'm sorry. So what I did with the engine is I 3D printed this engine. This is a 455 Pontiac. I 3D printed. I found it on Colts. I forgot the designer's name. It's probably one of the only things I've got from him. I don't think he has a lot of stuff anyway. The battery is a battery I printed, and I found a decal sheet. So a decal that I got from Joel. I wired this whole thing. I scratch built the coil. I went ahead and plumbed all the fuel lines. I 3D printed that carburetor that's on there. The fuel pump. Let me see here. I think I 3D printed that master cylinder, brake cylinder. I ran wire and looms on this, so you can see that wire and loom right there. I made that, and I ran wires inside of it to where you can see they're going in the back there. Let me see if I can find you some hookup spots where the fan's at. Right there. I ran those wires through the loom, and likewise with the MSD box, I ran them through a loom. So the chrome I did on here is all that is Revell chrome out of the can. I'm starting to really dig that stuff, and if you use gloves, it stays on. So it looks like the license plate is coming up, so I might have to do something different there. Let me see, the front here is also Revell chrome, and again, I drilled everything out. I put a regular lens in here, regular lenses, so they're not silver, and I like that a lot better. I 3D printed that radiator too, and the fans, the dual fans inside. I made my dipstick like I normally do, and I know this is going to be a shaky video just because I want to show you guys some of the detail. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys back on the tripod here, and I'll start moving the car. Sorry. Oh, let me see what I got here. There. So I wired everything on here. I put a spring. I put for the return spring on there. I made the linkage. Let me see if I can show you guys. I scratch built the exhaust on here. I ran all the fuel lines. I weathered everything. I 3D printed the 4-link. I weathered all the bottom on that. The stance came out killer. There you go. I'll show you the stance real quick. There. So it did come out pretty good. I'm happy with it, guys. This is a build that I'm pretty proud of. There's a story that I have with this kit. When I first started getting back into building, I purchased this kit, and you know, I mean, I wish there was people out there that would tell me, you know, don't do that as one of your first kits, you know, like your 5th kit or something. Wait till like you're seasoned a little bit and then maybe buy it and try it. But I bought it and I got so discouraged I threw it right in the garbage, because everything in the kit was just garbage pretty much. So so I threw it in the trash, and years later I said, you know what, I wish I can do that again. And Matt put that challenge out, and I said, you know what, opportunity there, challenge accepted. And I wanted to do this one extra special just because the first time I tried this kit, I threw it in the garbage. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this thing. I really enjoyed building it the second time around. But yeah, dude, I mean, yeah, guys, it's been a challenge, and a fun challenge. So also, we did get a package in the mail. And let me show you guys what we got. We got a package from VCG Resins, guys. We are going to get on the 68 Dodge Dart. Will be the next kit that we do. This is for the USAC build. It will be this one. And it's going to be a lot of VCG resin parts on here. So I hope you guys enjoy this kit. I do have another story with this kit. This is probably I think it's the first or second kit it's the second kit that got me back into building again. And I want to show you guys where I'm at today and where we all start in the beginning. So I still have the kit that I did back, 12 to 15 years ago. I still have that kit, and you guys are gonna be like, whoa, look at the transition from here to there. And I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm only gonna show you guys that car when I actually complete this car. So I'll put them both side by side, and you guys can laugh at the first one I did. And you guys can, maybe laugh at the second one. But what I want everybody to see is that nobody starts off at a level of the GTO. It just doesn't happen. So we all start off somewhere, and we work ourselves up and get to that, to the stage of this, And to me, this is a high level kit. To some people, it might be, maybe a level 1 or 2 or something. I don't know, but let's check this out. Okay, we did get a goodie box. Let me go ahead and take the eyes off the jewel here and put them on a different jewel. So we did get a goodie box from Josh Reese over at VCG Resins, and he sent us he sends us stuff every month, and this time he sent 7-inch LED headlights. So he sent those. I'll save the cool one for last. So he sent 5 3/4-inch LED headlights. He sent some alternators, which they're pretty highly detailed alternators, guys. They got holes drilled in them for the wiring. I always wire my alternators, and this makes it so much easier to wire them. So much easy. thanks for whoever designed that. I mean, you guys did a great job. So, and I'm pretty sure it was Scale Auto Model Works that designed them. So he designs a lot of this stuff. So the starter, these starters are awesome, guys. And I was looking at these things, and look at the wire in there, the starter wire, and there's so much. They're so easy to detail. And Scale Auto Model Works designed these, so I actually have one on the GTO, and it was so nice to put on there. It really built up really good in there. So also, I like this. The custom exhaust kit. It's got the X pipe and all that other stuff on there. I think that is cool. It's going to make for a really highly detailed exhaust system, and I build all my exhaust systems. So, and then he sent a Halloween diorama, which I'm kind of thinking I might break this out and paint it and stick it next to like one of my cars on the show table or something, or something like that, you know. But I think this would be kind of cool. Maybe to stick near something, or maybe even let Susan detail it up. I think she'd enjoy painting this too. So again, guys, thanks a lot, Josh, for sending this really awesome stuff out. You really do hook us up all the time. Every month I see some, even more than every month. So this one here is for you, Josh. We're gonna build this thing up, and this is inspired by you and your work. So I appreciate everything you do, and thanks again. So if you guys don't know Josh, check his site out, VCG Resins by Reese. You guys will be very surprised at the quality of his work. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, about 14 minutes and 50 seconds or so. Why do you watch this crap? I do not know, but I am so glad that you guys do and you guys stop by. We will be shooting another video for a couple of the other guys out there. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Go to our Facebook page, Chuck's Hobby Spot. Go ahead and join that. It's starting to grow pretty good. You guys take care. Have a great week, and see you in the next vid, guys. Bye now.